Hey, if you're interested in becoming a physical therapist, then you've asked yourself, what is physical therapy? Well, I have no freaking idea either. Nah, I'm just kidding. Of course I do. I am a physical therapist. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about physical therapy. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment below on anything about the world of physical therapy and I will get right back to you. But let me tell you a little bit about my take on physical therapy. Lego. Do you want to learn everything you need to know to get accepted into DPT school? If you're confused about exactly which prerequisites to take or where to focus your attention on the DPT application, then consider taking my course. This course will cover tips and strategies for each aspect of the DPT application, where you will be equipped to understand everything you need to know to get accepted into your dream school DPT program. And right now, you could get this course at a discount for a limited time. Click below for more details. Hey, what is up you guys? My name is Dr. Justin Lee, physical therapist. In this channel, you'll find videos on fitness, physical therapy, and lifestyle that helps inspire self-change. I truly believe that lifting not only weights, but also each other can help empower greatness and encourage excellence. So, whatever journey that you're on, whether if you're trying to become a physical therapist or you're just a student just thinking about like what the hell is physical therapy, then I'm here to lift you up and support you. Change people, change people. That's why we live for change people. If any of that resonates with you, feel free to subscribe and hit those notifications. Okay, so let's answer that question. What is physical therapy? Physical therapy is a type of conservative care treatment. That means no medicine is involved. Well, there's a little bit of medicine, but I'm not going to get into that detail. But basically, no medicine is involved with physical therapy. So any type of drugs, prescription, all of that, nah. It's a type of care that utilizes only exercise, only certain types of modalities like ultrasound, maybe some traction, some things that you can physically do. It also helps improve range of motion and get you more flexible, right? All of this treatments and care is to help treat diseases, injuries, and some types of deformities in order to decrease pain, restore function, and improve quality of life. And I say this in these three specific orders because that is the approach that physical therapy takes when treating someone. So number one, you decrease the pain. Number two, you restore the function. You have to decrease pain to restore function. And once your function is restored, then you can improve quality of life. So let's take a low back pain or a low back injury, for example. Okay, so let's say I was lifting some weights, some squatting, or during this time, right, everyone's doing some home workouts or they're getting back into their workouts. They go right into it. Oh man, my back, I can't do anything. I felt something. Oh man, I'm gonna just ice it and just rest and I'm just gonna fall asleep and the next day it's gonna feel better. You wake up, you're as stiff as a mummy. You can't do nothing. You're like crawling out of bed. You're in so much pain. So now check this out. You're in so much pain that you cannot function. Now as physical therapists, we look at function as in things that we do every day. We call these ADLs or activities of daily living. And this is our function. So things like getting up from out of the bed, getting up from a chair to standing up, going and brushing your teeth, maybe dressing yourself, walking, right? Sleeping, jogging, standing, all those things are function. Now check this out. If you have back pain that is so severe, you won't be able to function, right? And so if you can't function, your quality of life sucks. Of course, duh. Thumbs down if you hate quality of life, or thumbs up if you've been liking this video. Anyway, so this is the approach that physical therapy takes. So let's take the same example of this person who hurt their back. they are gonna come into physical therapy and a physical therapist is gonna evaluate them. They're gonna find different things like muscle weakness, maybe some joints or some muscles that are stiff, right? And then they're gonna maybe find some coordination or posture related types of patterns that contribute to this pain. Also, a physical therapist will possibly analyze the type of movement that happened. So let's say I squatted, right? And I was hurting. So they're gonna analyze the squat and say, your squat sucks, bro. Go take a Pilates class. I don't know. Anyway, so what we're gonna do as physical therapists is we're gonna help take those flaws or those little things that make the person hurt more, and we're gonna help restore that. So in treatment, you'll see things like some stretching, you'll see things like some joint mobilizations, maybe you'll see things like strengthening, so maybe some bridges, some exercises to get the core tight, the glutes tight and stronger. And then possibly, if they are ready for that, they will help coordination to make sure that their squat is coordinating properly. Now, once pain is done with, once function improves, then now you have quality of life that gets better. And that is physical therapy. So the person with the back pain, their pain goes down. All the things that they weren't able to do, they were crawling out of bed, they couldn't walk. Now they're able to do all those things, and now their function is restored. And now their quality of life is better. If you guys like that flow of just decreasing pain, improving function, and getting quality of life better, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any more questions about physical therapy, feel free to comment below, and of course, I will definitely answer all your questions. And guys, those of you who are interested in physical therapy school and want to know everything you need to know to get accepted, I do have an online course available, and that will be in the description below. So I hope this video helped inspire some self-change to think about physical therapy and say, this is exactly the type of path that I want to go to, or this is exactly the path that I don't want to go to. Change people, change people. That's why we live for change people. Stay lifting, stay aloha. Have a great one, you guys.